Front house flip, transforming our living room into a cozy Airbnb suite. In the first episode, I shared how I made a gorgeous headboard using Dollar Tree items. I made this for my Airbnb and my guests love it. This inspired me to make over the front of my house and rent it out as well. In today's episode, I'll show you how this flip went and how the front part of my home is now a functional and inviting rental space. Ever feel like your home is too big for your family's needs? What if I told you that unused space could help pay your mortgage? Hi, I'm Christine, and today I am sharing how I transformed our oversized house into a cozy, income-generating Airbnb without sacrificing our family comfort. Our 3,600 square foot home had 6 bedrooms, 2 home offices, and 2.5 baths. It was more space than we needed. For years, I had considered renting out the extra rooms, but I was hesitant. Eventually, I took the plunge. I converted the 2 home offices into guest bedrooms. Then I looked at our open den. It had only one lonely piano, and I thought, why not turn this into a 3rd rental room? So I did just that. For security and privacy, I installed smart locks on each guest room and the front door. This makes check-in seamless and safe. I love DIY projects, so I crafted 2 identical headboards for the guest rooms, giving them a unique and upscale look. For the 3rd room, I repurposed an older DIY headboard by mounting it higher on the wall as a decorative art. It added character and saved me some money. I didn't have to buy a new headboard. So in the shared kitchenette, I reused hexagonal mirrors from a previous project to create eye-catching wall decor. We also transformed our downstairs half bath into a full bathroom for guests. This upgrade added comfort and convenience. Creating a separate rental space meant partitioning the hallway that connected the front and the back of the house. Most of the hallway became part of the rentals area, and the remaining portion on our side was part of another phase of this renovation project. I will reveal this in episode 3. So parking was an interesting challenge. I didn't have much space, but we could make it work for 3 guests since we had 3 rooms. One time, 2 guests booked 1 room and they arrived in 2 separate cars. That was a wake-up call. I quickly implemented a 1 room, 1 car policy, requiring guests to confirm their parking needs before checking in. We now offer street parking and a portion of our unused driveway. Despite all these changes, our family still enjoys ample space: 6 bedrooms, a full kitchen, dining area, and a living room. It took some adjustment, but we've embraced the new setup. This journey has taught me that with creativity and some courage, it's possible to turn underutilized spaces into income-generating assets. So in episode 3, you will see the back part of our house and how it was transformed. I hope you'll join me then. Thank you for watching my house hacking journey. Feel free to leave a comment below. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for updates on our journey. Well, thank you. God bless you. I will see you again soon. Bye.